Where is it? No. Ah, there it is. There we go. There we go. Man, that was hard to find. Hey guys, Cyrus back with another video. If you don't know already, this is my channel, Syrious Media, and in today's video we're going to be installing my thermal coated turbocharged inlet pipe kit made by PRL onto my Honda Civic Type R. Now what this is going to do is, it being thermal coated, that's going to help out a lot of the AIT temperatures for my Honda Civic Type R, specifically AIT1. AIT2 is the temperatures that happen post intercooler, I believe. So what I want to show you guys real quick actually is how this works. Alright. So, as you guys can see, the Honda Civic Type R is made with the inlet pipe that is directly above the turbo. Now what happens is, when the turbo gets hot and it spools and makes a lot of heat, all that heat rises up, which in turn causes all the cold air that's coming in through your intake to go over and heat up as it passes over the turbo and goes inside of the turbo. And what the thermal coated inlet pipe is going to do, it's going to mitigate a lot of that heat due to the thermal coat on the inlet hose, and that's going to hopefully reduce a lot of my AIT temperatures when I'm on the track or when I'm just like back road driving. The reason I chose the thermal coated black one, I was also in the market for the Rampage one, but I decided since I already have the black intercooler by PRL, I might as well just go ahead and get the black inlet hose. So, well, inlet pipe, sorry. I keep calling the inlet pipe the hose. I've done that in so many videos, but inlet pipe. So I figured it would look great with my current setup, and I'm already PRL everything. PRL intake, PRL intercooler, non-catted down pipe, and PRL front pipe. So I'm already full PRL basically already, and I know I say my Type R is full bolt-on. I guess this is the last piece that'll actually make it full bolt-on. So with that being said, I kind of just want to go ahead and get started on this install. And as you know, I like to open the boxes and show you what's in them. So let's see what the good folks at PRL sent me today. Awesome packaging as usual. Jesus, it's trash day. That was a big trash truck. Alright, so here we have one of the hoses. We have the inlet hose. I don't have to use this because I already have one. We have the hardware, the clamps. We have one of the angle pieces, and we have the thermal coated titanium hose, which is awesome. There's no PRL logo on it, but I'm okay with that. So what it's looking like is this attaches into here somewhere, like so, and then this connects like this, I'm assuming, something like that, or it could be like that, you know, with the hose. It's one of the two sides, but that's how it works. And so this is going to make it a lot easier to install. All right, let's get to it. Let's install this. Alright, so this is the old inlet pipe right here. It's really light though, honestly. I haven't compared it to the other, well, I'll only be able to compare the pipe part of it. Alright, so here's the two pipes. Well, this is obviously only part of it, of the new pipe that's going in. But as you can see, both of the pieces, this one's a lot heavier than this piece. A lot heavier, actually. So I'm excited to see how this does. I'm excited to hear the sound. This is a lot bigger too on the inside. As you can see, this one is a lot thicker compared to this one. This one has a lot more room for air to flow through. So I just hit those together. So yeah, I'm excited to see just how much more air we get through here and just how much heat we drop due to it being thermal coated. Oh, one thing I wanted to tell you guys, if you're doing this yourself and you're following along the video, so there's going to be a bolt that was here, one bolt here, one bolt down here at the bottom, and then the bolt here, the bolt here. What I did was I unbolted this from the pipe, which you have to do. There's two bolts for this, and then there's the two bolts that hold it in place to the turbo, right there and right there. The one on the bottom is really difficult to get to. It took me about 10 to 20 minutes of figuring out a way to get around that. So keep that in mind. It's really easy. This has honestly been a really easy install. I kind of wish I did it last week when I got this. But the one bolt that's down at the bottom, that's going to be a to get out, so beware of that. But anyway, so it's looking like this part is just plug and play. We're going to put this where the hard part used to go. That's what I'm just going to call it, the hard part. But I'm just going to call this the elbow. We're going to put the elbow connected to the turbo first, and then we'll connect the pipe to the elbow, and then we'll connect the elbow to the hose and the hose to the intake. So with that being said, let's go ahead and finish installing this PRL inlet kit. What I think what I'm going to do is I'm going to put the PRL on the bottom to kind of keep it like sleek and black, so you won't really see the PRL Motorsports logo right there, but you'll know it's PRL because of that, and I'm going to say it's PRL. So okay, so now that we have the elbow in, we're going to go ahead and install the actual pipe now and attach it to the coupler. One thing I'm going to do, this is actually a known common issue when you have the PRL inlet hose. What happens is this rubber part of the hose, it tends to rub against the top of the hood up here. And so what I'm going to do is I'm going to rotate this part of the hose so that way this rubber part is kind of more on the bottom side like this than up top like this, which will eventually probably rub a hole into this, which I don't want to happen. So I'm going to go ahead and twist this around and keep it like that for when I reinstall the hose, so I don't have to worry about that rubbing against the top of the hose. Just a common issue that happens with Civic Type R's when you install the PRL hose. Alright guys, so now we've installed the inlet pipe with the inlet hose. Okay, so actually I did have to use the inlet hose that came with the box, that came with the pipe, because the one that I used that came with my HVI, this part wouldn't fit inside of the inlet pipe. So you have to use the inlet hose that comes with the inlet pipe. Heads up, because this is way bigger in diameter than the other one, and it just wouldn't fit. So I had to make that happen. Sorry, excuse the lighting. So it's been about maybe 30 more minutes since the last clip you guys seen, and I have it fully installed now. I'm gonna go ahead, turn on the car, hear what it sounds like, and maybe in the next video, because there's no way I'll be able to tell you today, because I just don't have the time to do the testing that I want to do with this pipe. Maybe in another video I can let you guys know how big the difference of the AITs are with this thermal coated PRL inlet hose, and maybe you'll decide that you want to get it if it fits your needs. So yeah, my Type R is officially full PRL. I have most of the PRL products that you can get right now, minus the what is it, the flex fuel kit and the drop-in turbo, but that's not coming out for a minute. Actually, I think that's about to come out. I don't plan on getting it for a minute though, so if I do end up getting it. But yeah, I'm pretty sure you guys want to know what this sounds like, so let me back out the car, give you guys a cold start, and yeah, I'll let you listen to it. Alright, so this is it with the car running. Can't really tell anything at idle, but I think I installed everything pretty securely. No check engine lights or anything like that, so it's looking pretty good so far. Alright guys, I apologize. I don't have great lighting to finish this video. My neighbor's kids are playing outside making a lot of noise, so I apologize. But thank you guys so much for tuning into this video. I really appreciate it. I hope I helped one of you guys install this inlet pipe, and I hope I give you guys a lot of information about it, about the thermal coated one by PRL. If you like the video, please like, comment, and subscribe. And if you haven't already, go to SyriousMedia.com, use code Syrious. You get 20% off of your order. Buy a t-shirt, buy, I don't know, jet tag, air freshener, sticker. We got a lot of stuff on the website, so check it out if you haven't already. But other than that, I'll catch you guys in the next one. Thank you guys so much, and see you later. Bye.